Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with my swap entry for HappyCrafter Lisa Goss's embellishment book swap, and my video and everything's up late, and actually sending it a little bit late, and I do apologize for that personal emergency in my family, but anyway, everything worked out well. But anyway, I used the Amy Tangerine, the Sweet Life. I am almost finished with this pad, so I'm proud that I've been able to kill that. So I followed her tutorial, which I've made these books before, but it was just, exactly what she, the same dimensions that she had. And this is a 4x6 book with a 2-inch spine. Very simple to make. It's probably one of the first books I learned how to make, but I love these because they're quick and they're simple and you can do a lot with it. But the first time I've ever used it as an embellishment, I've made it with scrapbooks before. So what I did with each one of them, just a slightly different on the front, which is just a little cut a piece from the paper pad and just a little punch, flower punch from the Paper Studio, some bling. And this was a postal one, and I just put another punch, and that little floral was actually from a die set. A Sizzix die set, and then that one just put some bling in that die cut. It's a punch as well, flower punch. So they're all the same, except the cut parts of the front. So anyway, this is what it looks like on the inside. So I use, well, let me show you. First, I use the Sizzix Thinlits bow die. And I use this bead cutters die right here. So this is the first embellishment that you see right here. And so one says hello, and the other one says love, and I just made them into shakers. And everything is on repositional dots. And then this is the film strip that is also in here as well. These little Polaroids. I did the Polaroids because there's Polaroid cameras in the background, so I thought about the Polaroid that comes out. So this is high XOXO, the little film strip that you get like when you're in a little booth, camera booth. So that was kind of retro, and it kind of went along with the paper in the background. You can see those little cameras. So that's why I did that. Painted both my clothespins, one yellow, one purple. Put some paper on it, some bling, that sticker. It says Smile and Laugh, came from the Dollar Tree. This is the EK Success Layering Butterfly Punch. One of my favorite punches, and some gold paper in the back under the butterfly. And these had to have at least 3 dimensions on it. So I've got the paper, the bling, the sticker, and the punch is also dimensional. So that's how they came out with that. Then over here we had to have we had to have 2 clothespins, and we had to have 2 shaped embellishments. So that's my 2 shaped embellishments, Polaroids. And then we have to have 2 bows. And I decided not to do my AliExpress bows, but I decided to do my Sizzix bows because I really hadn't seen anybody use those. I've seen some people call them. I figured I'd try it. So I just made it into 3. They're flat, but still dimensional. They're layered and bling on them. Some different types of bows because most of us have gotten some of the other dimensional bows. I used my Rosettes cartridge or Design Space from what's it called? Rosettes. I forgot. It's called Rosettes. Pretty Rosettes, I think. And so I made these 2 different designs. They're 2 different designs. I don't know if you can see them, but this one, if you can kind of see that, they have 2 different shapes. This one has more like, I don't even know what you want to call it. But anyway, they're 2 different design rosettes. So they have different edges and borders. Then on this, the last thing is my tag. And so they're all the same in there. Only thing is, and then we could do a wild card. So my wild card was, I made some paper bows out of the same paper. And they're very dimensional, so they barely fit into this bag. So I had to leave them like this. I couldn't put a backing in here to sit them on because it wouldn't fit, and the bag topper wouldn't fit. It was buckling. So they just have to go like that. We also had to give them 6 pieces of paper in case they wanted to make some project out of it. So these are 12 by 12s cut down. And then I used a purple and a green to match the papers. So anyway, I will be shipping that out, and I did on my tag, I put my little sticker on the back of it, and on the back of the books. My logo was up there as well. And what else am I forgetting? I think that is it. So you can check out her channel. I will have a link to her video below, and you can check out her channel. And I think that's everything that I was supposed to mention that we're supposed to do. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.